Yeah, it turns really fast, Dom. And remember, bargains are all relative in the Hamptons, but right now rental prices down 26% over the last year. And the biggest sign of weakness right now is actually on the supply side. Brokers say there are now hundreds of rentals still available at all price points. And in last year and in 2020, it was almost impossible to find a rental by early May. This year, brokers estimate supply is up over 50%. And some homeowners are starting to drop prices more than 30% rather than let them stay empty. So why the soft demand? Well, brokers say more of the wealthy are traveling this summer, especially to Europe. The stock market declines, they've also affected the mood. And many of the people who used to rent in the Hamptons actually bought over the past 2 years. So the pool in the population of renters is now smaller. So what can you get if you're still looking to be in the Hamptons this summer? Well, you can rent this 9-bedroom, 11,000 square foot waterfront home in Bridgehampton. That's on Surfside Drive. It's a mere $300,000 a week. That's right, I said a week, or $1.25 million a month. If you're on a little more of a budget, well, it's a cute little 900 square foot cottage in Southampton. It's $48,000 for the summer, or a mere $23,000 for August. So, Dom, still some, quote, deals out there if you're looking.
Robert, you deal in a very different world than many of us deal with on a daily basis, for sure, right now. So I'm glad that you put those in perspective for us with regard to just how much Hamptons rentals cost. But is there a sense right now, we were just talking to Michael Sonnenfeld over at Tiger 21 about the ultra wealthy members that they have there and some of the concerns about real estate right now. Do you feel as though maybe on the ultra wealthy side of things we could see a turn in the real estate market soon, or is that something where the ridiculously rich people really don't care about real estate values because they just hold it forever anyway?
Well, I think just as with the rest of the market, a lot of it is still a function of inventory. So if you look at the sale side on the Hamptons, inventory is still very low. The average sale price in the Hamptons is $2.6 million. That's still way up from last year. And by the way, that's more than Manhattan, where the average sale price is still around $2 million. So until we start to see a real buildup of supply on the sale side, we're really not going to get much of a change in prices. But the rental market is still where you start to see the beginnings of a slowdown. And there, again, we see some supply, including from some people that bought over the past 2 years and thought they could rent out these places for a lot of money and just aren't going to get what they expected. And so they may then put those homes in the Hamptons on the market.